Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome and I hope you stick around. Valentine's Day is around the corner and I wanted to show you guys a cute Valentine's Day makeup look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to be using more than one eyeshadow palette in this video. But if you don't have the same exact eyeshadow palettes, you can just find similar eyeshadow shades in your collection. The first palette I'm going to go in with is the Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals palette. The first shade I'm going to go in with is Just Barely, and I'm just going to apply it in my crease. Now the next shade I'm going to go in with is Good Vibes. Now I'm going to switch up the palette. I'm going to go in with the Powerpuff Girls X Colourpop eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to go in with the shade Pokey Oats. The next shade I'm going to go in with is the Fashionistas. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with the shade Professor Utonium. Alright guys, so I'm basically done with the eyeshadow and I cleaned up the edges. I usually like doing my eyeshadow a little bit messy because I like to get really in there and not worry about the mess because I know I can clean it up after. Now I'm going to move on to my face. Now I'm going to apply some lashes. I'm going to be using the Kiss lashes in the style Legacy. Alright guys, so the last thing I'm going to do are my lips. For lip liner, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Liner in the shade Medium 2. And on top of that, I'm going to be using the NYX Professional Makeup Fat Lip Drip Oil. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button to get a notification every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!